Hello students, exam dates are announced. So we are now here for previous year question discussions of University of Calcutta Zoology Honours for Part 1 Semester 1 Core Course 1 Cell Biology for major minor MDC student of CC1. Now we are going to discussing about Unit 6 of Cell Cycle and the syllabus provided by University of Calcutta, and this unit comprises of three parts. First one is about cell cycle and the second part is about cell death and the third part is about cancer. Now questions of 2023. Number 1. Distinguish apoptotic and necrotic cells in terms of cell membrane and intracellular composition. Second one is what is hereditary retinoblastoma. Both of these questions carry 2 marks. Third one, briefly describe the extrinsic pathway of apoptosis, and this question carry 3 marks. And the breakage of marks will be 2 plus 1, 2 for explanation and 1 will be for pointed diagram. This is entirely instruction for examiners, so be careful. Define cell cycle checkpoints and explain G1S checkpoints. 3 means the breakage of marks will be 2 plus 1, 1 for diagram. How point mutation causes proto-oncogene to be converted to an oncogene, explain with example. Breakage of marks will be 2 for explanation and 1 for example. Mutations of tumor suppressor genes are recessive, explain, carry 3 marks. Distinguish between normal cell and transformed cell, carrying 2 marks, make at least 4 points. In a tabular form, write short notes on metastasis and pro-apoptotic anti-apoptotic protein. Normally short notes carries 2.5 marks and it needs proper explanation with diagram, so be careful about that. And make the answers like carrying 3 marks. It will give you better impression. Now questions from the year 2022. First of all, distinguish between V-onc and C-onc. Explain the role of P53 in DNA damage checkpoint. It is essay type question carrying 4 marks. It needs point-wise detailed explanation along with diagram. And the third one, briefly mention the process of G2M transition of cell cycle in yeast, also carrying 4 marks, essay type question. And it needs point-wise detailed explanation along with pointed diagram. Next question, define APCC carrying 2 marks. What is haploinsufficiency carrying 2 marks? Distinguish between hereditary and sporadic retinoblastoma, preferably with flow diagram, carrying 4 marks. This is an essay type of question. With suitable illustration, explain the intrinsic pathway of apoptosis, carrying 4 marks, essay type question. Explain this with suitable proper pointed diagram, pathway. Now distinguish between proto-oncogene and tumor suppressor gene. Write at least 4 points of each in a tabular form. Define Burkitt's lymphoma and what are MPFs. Short question, both of these carrying 2 marks. 2021 and 2022 lockdown corona year. In 2019, stay any 2 features of apoptotic cell, distinguish between V-onc and C-onc. Third one, S phase is most active in eukaryotic cell cycle, justify this statement. All 3 carries 2 marks. Write short notes on Philadelphia chromosome, essay type question, 5 marks. Breakage of marks will be 3 plus 2, 2 for proper diagrammatic representation. Next question, P53 is the guardian of genome. Explain. It carries 3 marks. And next question, explain the process of G2M transition in cell cycle. This question carry 2 marks. Next question, mention briefly the extrinsic pathway of apoptosis carrying 4 marks. It also needs detailed explanation with proper diagram. Next question, distinguish between sporadic and hereditary retinoblastoma carrying 3 marks and make it in tabular form. So these are all the last 5 years CBCS Zoology Honours question from University of Calcutta. So students, stay connected and stay tuned for the next session, and thanks for watching.